bridge to Rootstock using Symbiosis. Rootstock is now integrated with Symbiosis. That means you can easily bridge assets to Rootstock or swap between Rootstock ecosystem tokens, all in one simple interface. Whether you're bringing funds in or exploring tokens on Rootstock, Symbiosis makes the process smooth. Here's a quick guide to help you bridge and swap to Rootstock using Symbiosis. Go to app.symbiosis.finance/swap. Click Connect Wallet and choose your wallet. Choose the transfer from network and token. Pick the network and token you're sending from. If your token isn't listed, paste its contract address manually. Select Rootstock and choose the token you want to receive. If your sending network is different, click Switch Network. Double-check wallet address. Make sure your receiving address is correct. Then click Receive Token to another wallet. Enter how much you want to swap. You'll see the estimated route, exchange rate, and fees. Approve the tokens in your wallet and click Confirm. Once complete, your tokens will show up in your wallet within seconds. Explore different options to bridge assets to Rootstock at rootstock.io/RBTC.